मेरा चंदा, तुझे दीप कहूँ या तारा, मेरा नाम करेगा रोशन, जग में मेरा राज बुला।
यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पर, तुम मुस्कुराते रहो ऐसे ही जीवन भर। यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पर, तुम मुस्कुराते रहो ऐसे ही जीवन भर। जो है तेरे अरमा वो हो जाए पूरे, और लग जाए तुमको उम्र मेरी। यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पर, तुम मुस्कुराते रहो ऐसे ही जीवन भर। यही दुआएं हैं तेरे जन्मदिन पर, तुम मुस्कुराते रहो ऐसे ही जीवन भर।
Dear Rajat, wish you happy birthday and lots of love. This year is a challenging year for all of us. We wish you will rise like a phoenix and achieve your goals as you work hard and effortless, and you are attending many webinars, seminars for your success. We wish you all the success, and your hard working will show us your remarkable status. Wish you all the best once again and happy birthday.
Hi Gudan, how are you? You're a very loving and caring person. I love you a lot. You be like that only, always. My wishes are always with you. You are a special child for us.
Hello Rajat, happy birthday to you, and such a lovely person, dynamic and business oriented, and you can say caring person for humanity, and wonderful person.
हेलो रजत, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। हमेशा खुश रहो बेटा। मुझे तुम्हारी सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि हमारी इना को बहुत खुश रखा है, उसको बहुत प्यार करते हो। मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी चीज़ यही है तुम्हारी,
और सिया को भी
है ना। और आप पूरी फैमिली को बहुत प्यार करते हो, सबसे अच्छी मेरे लिए तो यही चीज़ है।
मोस्ट लविंग पर्सन फॉर द फैमिली, फुल फैमिली,
है ना। हमेशा खुश रहो।
जैसे बिस्किट बिना चाय है अधूरी, जय वीरू जैसी यारी होनी है जरूरी। सह नहीं सकते हम कभी दूरी, भाई से जो पंगा ले उससे लड़ाई है। जैसे बिस्किट बिना चाय है अधूरी, जय वीरू जैसी यारी होनी है जरूरी। सह नहीं सकते हम कभी दूरी, भाई से जो पंगा ले उससे लड़ाई है। तू मेरा भाई है, भाई है, भाई है। तू मेरा भाई है, भाई है, भाई है। तू मेरा भाई है, भाई है, भाई है। साची ने मरने की कसमें खाई है। तू मेरा भाई है, भाई है, भाई है। तू मेरा भाई है, भाई है, भाई है। तू मेरा भाई है, भाई है, भाई है। साची ने मरने की कसमें खाई है।
Hi Rajat. Okay, on your special day, I would say that I have very fond memories with you. One being, I remember that we used to have so much fight, wrestling fight, and we used to have so much trouble to mama in your childhood. I also remember one day you broke my nose while playing cricket. Also, there are so many memories with you which cherish this special day for you. I would like to say a few good things about you. Is like you are a very calm person, very soft, easy to go person. Stay like that. It's a good quality. A lot of people don't have that quality in themselves. I would also like to wish you a very good year. It's a very tough year for everyone. You're doing very good things right now, learning yourself into multiple things, which will really help you to enhance the future. You are a good planner, so keep on planning things. It will help you a lot. All the very best. Have a great time.
Hi Putin. So today on your special birthday, I need to tell you two important things. The first one is something that you already know, I am sure. So the relationship that we share is not of a Devar, Bhabi, of a brother-in-law, but I think you're more like a brother to me. I know you're going to be there to support me always, and I can just give you a call anytime I want to. I don't need to look back at the clock and think, oh my god, he might be sleeping or he might be busy. I can just call you up and tell you I need help, or I need you, or can you listen, and you're going to always be there to listen, to lend out a listening ear. So I'm really happy to have you as my brother. And the second thing I want to tell you is that I really respect you for what you are. You are a very genuine person, a person who is really clean at heart, a person who is not diplomatic, who is just gonna stand by your side if you're correct, and who will always support the truth. So always be what you are, and of course my best wishes are always with you. Happy birthday.
कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कहते हैं खुदा ने इस जहां में सभी के लिए किसी न किसी को है बनाया, हर किसी के लिए तेरा मिलना है उस रब का इशारा, मानो मुझको बनाया तेरे जैसे ही किसी के लिए। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, कैसे हम जाने हमें क्या पता। कुछ तो है तुझसे राबता, तू हम सफर है फिर क्या फिक्र है, जीने की वजह यही है मरना इसी के लिए।
Hi Rajitu, I have to tell you a little story today. I'm sure you know about it, but in case you've forgotten. So you know, when I was about to get married and my dad was after my life that you have to meet guys, and he was looking at proposals, there were certain criteria that I told my dad. I want the guy to be tall, I want the guy to be good looking, I want the guy to be educated, etc, etc. So when I met you, okay, there were pretty much, I could see that there were many boxes which got ticked. You were tall, perfect, bang on. You were good looking. I love you with your specs. You look damn nice, okay. So yeah, and yeah, you were educated. You know, you told me, but then when I got married and I came here, I saw this little degree of yours, which proved. So yeah, good, you got the points there as well. Okay, I know these are all fun things, of course, but you know, the first time we met, I don't know, but sometimes when you meet people, you just feel that everything fits with each other, you know, it just fits. So that's what happened with us. We clicked, and yeah, it's going steady, touch wood. Yeah, but I have to tell you, stay tuned. This relationship is going to last a lifetime. If we want to go to other lives as well, let's talk.
पापा तेरे पापा
Happy birthday, Papa. I love you.
How much you love him? You love him lots?
Yeah,
And what do you like about Papa?
because I want to watch iPad with him. Ding, ding. Crazy. Ding, ding.
We love you, Gooden Chachu. Happy birthday.
I love you, Gooden Chachu.
वक्त भी सरफिरा सा लगे, भागता सा रहे हर जगह, वक्त को इन दिनों सूझने है लगी दिल लगी। यारियां गाड़ियां जब हुई, मस्तियां सस्तियां तब हुई, आजकल मर्जियों की जहां से ढकी जिंदगी।
साथ हम जो चले बन गए काफिले, और कोई हमें अब मिले ना मिले, मौज है रोज है, वो कैसे भी ना ये रुकते कभी सिलसिले।
चढ़ी मुझे यारी तेरी ऐसी जैसे दारू देसी, खटी मीठी बातें हैं नशे सी जैसे दारू देसी।
Hi Rajat, we can write a book on you, but we are also as lazy as you are. So we are going to sing a song for you. Kindly bear with us. तेरे जैसा यार कहाँ, कहाँ ऐसा याराना, याद रहेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना। बस बाकी तो तू समझदार है, सब समझ ही जाएगा। Jokes apart, you are a very kind guy with a golden heart. Be like this forever. Happy 40th birthday.
38th birthday.
Happy 38th birthday.
Happy birthday, Rajat.
Happy birthday, Rajat Chachu.
पार्टी कहाँ है?
Hello Rajatu.
Hi Rajat.
Okay, I'll start. So I think you are my brother-in-law, but the word that actually kind of defines the relationship is brother. So you've been not just a brother actually, but a friend and also an advisor. I think one thing that I really like about you and I look up to you for is that I feel you can balance a lot of things in your life perfectly, your professional as well as your personal life. And I just want to thank actually that God gave you as a part of a family, and thank you for all the countless memories that we've made together. Yeah.
Hi. So although the relationship that we share, although it's a formal one, but the bond that we share is that of a very close friend, of mutual respect. I think the kind of topics that I can speak about with you is, I think there's nothing off the table right now.
That's true.
किसी भी बारे में बात कर सकते हैं, about life, about business, about family, अच्छा बुरा, without being judgmental at all. So I think you have been more of a friend than whatever relationship this is. And there are a lot of other qualities as well, about which I would not want to talk here. So that's it.
Have a great life ahead, Rajatu.
And have a great day.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi Rajat, you are one of the most lovable person which I have known. Love you man, many happy returns of the day. Have a great day.
I wish you a very happy birthday. एक दो लाइनों में तुम्हें और तुम्हारी दोस्ती को बयान करना बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं है, बट इन शॉर्ट तुम यारों के यार हो, एक बेहतरीन इंसान हो। खुदा तुम्हें हमेशा खुश रखे, लंबी उम्र दे, एक अच्छी सेहत दे और तुम्हारी हर जायज़ तमन्ना को पूरी करे। जल्दी मिलते हैं भाई। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन। लव यू।